Oh no, it's raining. I have no idea what to record, so I just record outside my house. Oh my god, keyboard exposed, mouse exposed. How dirty I am, exposed. Glue. My limited time now to see my Discord. I don't know if my iPad exposed. Yeah, I have a dirty desk, but newsflash, it's raining. What is this where I record now? I feel I got like a guitar up there. I can be like doing other things, but like doing this Discord. Oh my god, I'm listening to Spotify exposed. You know what? I'm not sure what I'm listening to. It's some anime weeaboo thing. Look at that. Spotify. Alright, I guess that's it for the newsflash is still reading. Please help. I'm too depressed. I'm too depressed for my. Yeah, those aren't gonna help me, you know. Alright, bye.